How often does this happen to you? You make a list of new words, learn them, and a week later, gone. Completely forgotten. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Flashcards, even great ones like Quizlet, aren't enough. So let's go beyond. Here are 5 smart and practical ways to make new words stick for good. Tip 1. Use playphrase.me plus rewatch old movies. Playphrase.me is a great tool for hearing how real people use English words in natural conversations, taken straight from movies and TV shows. You get 5 free clips per search. To get the most out of it, try typing in different forms or variations of the same word. For example, if you're learning the word circumstances, try under the circumstances, in these circumstances, or due to the circumstances. This helps you learn how the word actually works in sentences, not just on its own. Heads up, this site doesn't have a content filter, so some clips may be inappropriate. Also, watching movies and shows in general is a great way to learn vocabulary. But instead of new shows, rewatch movies you've already seen. When you're not focused on following the plot, it's easier to pay attention to the language. Classics like Home Alone, Toy Story, Jurassic Park, or The Devil Wears Prada are perfect for this. You already know what's happening. Now focus on how things are said. Tip 2. Search words in book series. Pick a popular book series, like Harry Potter or The Hunger Games, and search for your word inside the text. For example, I have all 7 Harry Potter books in one file. If I search for the word stagger, I get dozens of natural, meaningful examples. Pro, you get lots of repetition. Con, book language is often more literary than everyday English. Tip 3. Try Reverso Context. Reverso shows you how words are used in real-world examples, like from news articles, subtitles, or websites. This is great for words that aren't common in fiction, like acquire or outsource. Just keep in mind, the translations aren't always perfect, so don't rely on them 100%. Tip 4. Use new words in conversation, even if you're alone. The best way to really learn a word? Use it, out loud, in context. If you have someone to talk to, like a tutor, a friend, or a language exchange partner, that's great. Here's a simple method that works. 1. Write down 5 to 8 new words you want to remember. 2. During your conversation, try to use each one naturally. But what if you don't have anyone to practice with? No problem. You still have options. Number 1, talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing, how you feel, or even retell a story using your target words. Number 2, talk to AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Replica can have full conversations with you. Ask questions, use your words, and get instant replies. Number 3, make your own example sentences, even in your native language with an English word mixed in. The more you use a word, in real life or in your imagination, the more likely you are to remember it for good. Tip 5. Learn from lyrics. If you're a music lover, why not turn your favorite songs into vocabulary practice? There are a few great tools to help with this. Websites like genius.com or lyrics.com let you search for words inside song lyrics. It's a fun way to see how words are used with emotion, rhythm, and rhyme. Want something more interactive? Try LingoClip. It's an app where you listen to songs and fill in missing words from the lyrics, like a mini-game. You can choose your level and learn vocabulary while having fun. It's available for Android and iOS, but there's one big warning here. Lyrics often break grammar rules, sometimes on purpose to sound cooler or match the beat. For example, in the song For Reasons Unknown by The Killers, you'll hear the line, "It don't beat the way it used to." Grammatically, it should be, "It doesn't beat." This kind of mistake is very common in music. Also, keep in mind, you can't always listen to songs directly on Genius or lyrics.com. You'll need to find them on Spotify or YouTube. Some lyrics may include slang, bad grammar, or even inappropriate content. So use good judgment. So to review, don't just look at new words. Hunt them down, hear them, read them, and most importantly, use them. Pick just one of these methods and try it today. Your vocabulary will grow faster and stronger than ever before.